Who is known as the father of electricity? Answer B. Benjamin Franklin. Which scientist formulated the theory of evolution? Answer A. Charles Darwin. Who invented telescope? Answer B. Hans Lippershey. When the Nobel Prizes were first awarded? Answer B. 1901. Who is the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Answer A. Marie Curie. All Nobel Prizes except the Peace Prize is awarded in? Answer B. Stockholm. Who is known as the father of evolution? Answer C. Charles Darwin. Who was formulated the periodic table for chemical element? Answer A. Dmitry Mendeleev. Albert Einstein received Nobel Prize in the year? Answer D. 1921. Who is known as the inventor of hydrogen bomb? Answer C. Edward Teller. What was the code name of the first nuclear test conducted by USA on 16 July 1945? Answer B. Trinity. How many US patents are the name of Thomas Alva Edison? Answer D. 1093. Who had developed the polio vaccines? Answer A. John Salk. Edward Jenner is famous for the invention of? Answer B. Smallpox vaccine. Which gas is also known as laughing gas? Answer B. Nitrous oxide. Which gas contains in large volume in our atmosphere? Answer C. Nitrogen. Which one is the largest organ in a human body? Answer A. Skin. Which blood group is known as universal recipients group? Answer A. AB group. Which blood group is known as universal donors group? Answer D. O group. Who is known as the inventor of steam engine? Answer B. James Watt. What is the SI unit of electric current? Answer C. Ampere. Which vitamin is produced by the sunlight? Answer D. Vitamin D. Total number of chambers in a human heart? Answer C. 4. The hardest substance available in the world is? Answer A. Platinum. Which type of instrument is used to measure moisture in the atmosphere? Answer C. Hygrometer. What is the SI unit for pressure? Answer A. Pascal. Who is known as the father of biology? Answer B. Aristotle. Who had distinguished the main blood groups in human body? Answer D. Karl Landsteiner. Which one is the biggest planet in our solar system? Answer B. Jupiter. Which one is the largest natural moon in our solar system? Answer C. Ganymede. Which one is the hottest planet in our solar system? Answer B. Venus. Which one is the smallest planet in our solar system? Answer A. Mercury. Which one is the first living creature sent to Earth orbit? Answer B. Laika, a dog. Which one is the closest star to our solar system? Answer C. Proxima Centauri. Halley's Comet was last appeared on the year. Answer D. 1986. What was the name of the spaceflight that carried Neil Armstrong to the moon? Answer C. Apollo 11. In which year Neil Armstrong first landed on the moon? Answer D. 1969. Who is the first woman in space? Answer A. Valentina Tereshkova. Who is the first female commander of a space shuttle? Answer B. Eileen Collins. Who is the first space tourist? Answer A. Dennis Tito. Smallpox is caused by. Answer A. Virus. The smallest and functional unit of kidney is known as nephron. Which one is a water soluble vitamin? Answer B. Vitamin C. Where the headquarters of NASA is located? Answer C. Washington. Which gas is used for flying balloons? Answer C. Helium. Which one is the nearest planet to the Earth? Answer B. Venus. Deficiency disease, scurvy, is caused by the lack of. Answer C. Vitamin C. Which one is the first surface to surface missile in India? Answer D. Prithvi. Total number of chromosomes per cell in human body? Answer A. 46. The vitamin that helps in the clotting of blood is. Answer D. Vitamin K.